Hey Google, play Kitchen Nightmares Season 1 Episode 1 on Chromecast. Okay, close enough. It is Hell's Kitchen. It's not Kitchen Nightmares, it's Hell's Kitchen. But somewhat very close. Hey Google, play Master Chef Season 1 Episode 1 on Chromecast. Yeah, I think this is Master Chef. Yeah. Hey Google, pause Chromecast. Hey Google, resume Chromecast. So it was not from the Google Home Mini or Google Home. My Google Home is muted. It is from my trusted Google Assistant on Raspberry Pi. So I have made a number of advancements to this project. So the first and major advancement is the Chromecasting feature, which you just now saw. And another major update that I have done to the project is now I am logging the errors. So as you can see here, for reporting the errors, open the temporary folder and then open the log file. So now we'll be logging all the errors. Say if you want to report any error, you can just upload this file and say as to what went wrong and when. Then maybe I can take a look and help you troubleshoot the error. So this is really a major advancement or a feature. I wouldn't actually call it a feature. This log has to be there for all the projects. It's just that I haven't included it very late, so I wouldn't call it an advancement, but yeah, this is a necessary thing that should be there for the project, which I have included. And apart from this, I have changed the installation codes. So last time when Google updated their project, it really crashed all the projects. This is because I didn't mention the version numbers to be installed in the installation script. So now what I have actually done is so now I have mentioned the version numbers. So next time if Google updates, still we would be setting up the stable version and this would not crash the project. So I will have more time to work on the updated assistant and then bring the updates to you. So as well as another major update change in the setting up process is I have added a requirements file. So again, this is to install stable versions of softwares. So I have added two requirements file. One is for the PIP and another one is for the system requirements. So we'll be using packages, pre-built PIP packages, and to some extent the installation will be much faster in this way than the previous installations that you performed. Okay, so now over to the multimedia based feature which you all would be more interested. Hey Google, stream I Got You.
Getting YouTube link.
Okay, as you now saw, I have changed the text-to-speech converter as well. So previously the text-to-speech converter that I used was robotic, and this is Google text-to-speech converter. And let me just show you as to how you can change the languages. So it supports a number of different languages. Hey Google, pause music. So that was the pausing feature. And if you noticed, as soon as the assistant got triggered, the volume went down. This I had already posted a video on this, that this would be coming. So that is the feature. And if you take a look, the text to speech converter supports a number of different languages. So I'm using two phases of conversion. So one is text to text conversion and another one is text to speech conversion. So the GTTS or the Google text to speech conversion will not transliterate the words. Say for example, if you say good morning in English, it wouldn't translate to bonjour or whatever. I don't know the exact thing. It wouldn't translate it to French. It will say again good morning in a French dialect. So for that I had to include another conversion, so which would convert from language to language. So it would take the good morning from you, convert it to French, and that French good morning or the bonjour will be converted to speech using the Google text to speech converter. This is a multi-stage conversion to make it more pleasing to use. So I have given you a list of languages that you can use in the script. You can just take a look and play around with that. Hey Google, resume music. Hey Google, stop. So we have stopped the music now. Just check as to what happens if you ask the assistant to stop or resume. Hey Google, resume music.
Sorry, nothing is playing right now.
So this is the text to speech thing. It's not as good as the original one, but hey Google, play radio 2. So I have
Tuning into radio 2.
yeah. So I have changed the trigger word for radio from tune into to radio itself. So sometimes it picks up the tune into as turn into or tune into or something like that. So you can pause and resume the radio as well. So you can pause and resume the radio or playback as well. Hey Google, pause music. Okay, so actually the pausing of radio doesn't make any sense. Radios don't pause, but you can get a hold of the station. That is what it actually means. So while the audio is paused, you can request any other thing from the assistant and still the audio will be on hold. Hey Google, what is the time now?
9:14.
Hey Google, resume music. Hey Google, change music volume to 30. So the volume dipped, as you can see now. I hope you can hear. My camera is not that great, but I just hoping that you can hear that. Hey Google, change music volume to 60. So in this case, for changing the audio stream volume, is the trigger word is music volume. So if you just say volume, the assistant will change its volume and the normal pi volume. So the trigger word is music volume, and as usual you can find all these details in the readme document. Hey Google, stop music. So other things include fixes for the YouTube auto playback. So I have fixed the YouTube autoplay issue. So previously we were using YouTube downloader or MPSYT. I have taken a roundabout approach and I have fixed the YouTube auto playback issue as well. And I think I don't need to demonstrate the music playback or volume change for Google Music as well. That also works. And regarding YouTube and regarding Google Music, there is one thing which you need to note. Say for example, if you make a change to the Google Music cloud, you need to refresh the music list in the Pi as well. So in order to do that, I have included a refresh function. Hey Google, refresh music.
Music list synchronized.
So once you get the tone, your music on the cloud will be synchronized with the music on the Pi. And if you again make any changes to the GPM on the cloud, you need to again refresh the music on the Pi. So these are the preliminary things. Okay, so that is pretty much it regards to this update. And again, like the usual way, I have updated this project for the AssistantSPi Git, that is the Alexa and the Google Assistant combined, as well as the standalone Google Assistant Git as well. I have updated both of them. And if you want to report any errors, so since now that I have included the log file, upload the log file and you can report the errors using that. And as usual, for further details, just read through the Git. I have attached all the syntaxes and examples in the Git. You will find it really useful. Okay, so that is pretty much it. See you guys in the next video. Take care and bye bye.